One of the common assessments I do is called the straight leg raise, and it looks at both the flexibility of the posterior chain and the lumbo-pelvic hip complex stability. One of the correctives that we often use for that is to actually use core bracing technique with a band. So I've got a band that's secured overhead. I'm going to lie on my back. In this case, I'm using relatively light resistance. I'm going to pull the band apart. I'm going to straighten out both of my legs. I'm going to bring one knee up. I'm going to pull the band in. I'm going to straighten that leg, keeping my chin in, my shoulders down, just like the techniques that we used previously in the dead bug. Try and straighten as much as I can, lower to the floor. I'm going to bring it back up. So this is reciprocal extension and flexion. Lower to the floor, keep it back up. Again, keeping the lower back flat to the floor. After a couple repetitions, I'm going to take a break, reset my shoulders, reset my chin, make sure my back is flat into the ground, pull, engage, core bracing action, straighten the leg again, firing through the quad, lowering slowly as far as I can without losing any contact or stability to the ground.